OMEN desktop, we envisioned a powerful gaming machine that has accessibility at its epicenter. Designed to give the gamer complete access, we took a jet fighter-like approach to the panels and components, making them pop out or fold away for greater efficiency. The top-down view is strikingly accented with carbon fiber-like finishes, giving off the appearance of an advanced machine ready for battle. With state-of-the-art graphics and the latest processors, the gamer is enabled to break limits and harness exceptional power. We provided an optional see-through door that allows a direct look into the heart of the machine. In low light or darkness, the internal components illuminate as if breathing fire. Since airflow is the key to high performance, we used 120mm fans and optional liquid cooling. We also integrated a carrying handle into the top of the design to enable flexible transportation. With longevity in mind, we designed the OMEN desktop for upgradability that future-proofs this machine. Harness the power of total domination with the new OMEN desktop.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony with LCGS, and today I have something really cool to show you. That's our Shadow 370 refresh, based off of the popular Shadow 3. But you know what? Let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what's there.
Now you can escape with a machine designed for virtual reality gaming. Meet Alienware Aurora. Dual graphics ready and driven by 20 years of innovation and gamer feedback, Aurora is our first chassis that supports graphics and expansion card upgrades without any tools. Overclocked CPUs with liquid cooling. It's got everything you need for truly immersive gaming, boundaries not included.